Ito guys is na-discuss naman na natin before. So siguro pakibalikan na lang yung lesson nyo with regards to this one para mas makarami pa tayo. And let's proceed to, alam ko naalala nyo itong ano na yan. So yan. So for number 48 tayo guys. For number 48, a block starts. Ito kasi medyo, I think, struggling yung iba kapag ka walang figure talaga. Okay? But guys, isa-isahin nyo kasi, no? Isa-isahin lang siguro siya. So, a 5 kilogram starts from rest, slides 6 meter down the 30 degree down the 30 degree incline plane. So, ibig sabihin, this is 30 degrees. Ngayon, we have ito yung block natin. So, this is 5 kilogram. This will be, or this is equal to 5 kilogram. Now, guys, ang sinasabi sa atin dito is the coefficient of friction, the coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.10. Paano ba yung magiging motion natin dito? Ang magiging motion natin dito, of course, is magiging pababayan. Of course, dahil pababa yung incline ng ano natin. So, ibig sabihin, kakountering yan ngayon ng frictional force natin dito. Nagkakaintindihan? So, now guys, di ba nga, dati, hindi na natin iniikot yung axis natin para mas maging madali siya. So, I think, okay na tayo. Okay, so for example, ngayon, ano yung kailangan natin dyan? Di ba, this is a Newton's second law, which is FMA. F is equal to mass times the acceleration. Di ba, hindi na natin i-incline yan. So, let's say, ito yung positive natin dyan. Okay, ibig sabihin, positive ka, papunta dito. Okay, ngayon guys, yung weight mo na to, or yung this is 5 kilogram, i-multiply natin to ng 9.81. Asan yung calculator ko? Multiply natin ng 9.81 yan. 5 times 9.81, simply, it is 49.05. So, this is 49.05 Newton. Now, wala nga tayo siyang external force. However, meron tayong component dito. Tama? Ngayon, ano yun? Paano mo mare-resolve yun? So, basically, you just need to resolve for the components of your weight. So, ibig sabihin, if this is teka lang. Okay? I think, ayan, ganyan na lang yan. So, this is yung weight y prime na lang siguro to. Weight y prime natin. So, ibig sabihin, yung summation of force natin dito is basically the weight y prime minus yung Fk is equal to mass times the acceleration. Ang hinahanap sa atin dito is the velocity. Okay, so ibig sabihin, kailangan muna natin mahanap yung acceleration. Ang weight y prime natin, okay, paano ba natin i-resolve yan? If i-transfer natin yung angle dito, di ba kung i-transfer natin yung angle natin dito, we can say that this is also 30 degrees. Okay, nagkakaintindihan? And kung ganun pala, from this, okay, this is 60 degrees naman. Para makuha mo yung weight y prime mo, pwede ko bang sabihin that this is weight cosine, tama? Weight cosine of 60 degrees. Para makuha mo yung component na to ng weight mo. Kasi yun yung kailangan natin. Tama ba? So, tama yun. Ibig sabihin, we can say that yung weight y prime mo, which is 49.05 cosine of 60, okay, minus 0.10. And ngayon, ano yung normal force mo? Ano ngayon yung magiging normal force mo? Ito naman guys is papunta doon. Okay? Ayan naman yung magiging N natin. Paano yun? So, summation naman about the x prime axis siguro. So, again, this is the y prime axis. Paano naman yun? So, ibig sabihin, the summation of forces x prime is equal to, okay, since nasa incline dyan, equate natin to sa 0. So, 0 is equal to, kasi ala ka naman magiging, dyan, movement along that axis. So, kailangan stable ka along the x prime axis. So, mangyayari, kailangan mo ngayon kunin yung component na to ng weight mo naman. Nagkakaintindihan ba? So, ibig sabihin, okay, you can say that n minus, okay, positive papunta doon. Okay, for example, minus yung weight x prime mo naman. So, you can say that n is equal to weight x prime. At ang weight x prime natin is simply equal to 49.05 sine of 60. So, yun lang basically ipa-plug in natin. May 0.10 multiplied by 49 sine of 60 is equal to mass na 5 kg. Makukuha natin ngayon yung acceleration. Ang acceleration is equal to 49.05 cosine of 60 minus 0.10 49.05 sine 49.05 sine of 60 equal to 5 kg multiplied by A. Ang makukuha natin acceleration will be, may mali ba? May mali ata. Wait lang. Makukuha natin ang acceleration will be 4.06 meter per second square. Ngayon, hindi naman yun yung hinahanap sa atin. Ang hinahanap sa atin, guys, is the velocity. Di ba meron tayong position? So, can we say, guys, that VF square is equal to VI square plus 2AS. Yung S natin, guys, is from initial position ng ating block down to the final position, which is 6. Yung S natin dito is 6 meters. Okay, this is from rest, so this is 0. Therefore, yung VF natin dito is equal to V is equal to 2. Ang acceleration natin is 4.06 multiplied by 6 meter na distance. The VF is simply equal to 6.98 meter per second. So, meron ba tayong ganon? Andito ba sa natin? So, andito. So, 6.98 meter per second. Next one is for number 49 to 50. Dali lang to eh. So, I think na-solve nyo to. For 49 to 50, I think na-solve nyo siya. So, 49 to 50. Okay, i-resolve nyo na lang siya. Ang tamang sagot dito will be 5.04 meters. Okay, we have 5.04 meters, and for determine the velocity rate travels from t is equal to 3. Distance yung una is 3.36 meter per second. So, yun, paki-resolve na lang to ulit. Yan yung magiging final answer natin. And for number 51, sige to 51 na i-solve natin. Ito na lang siguro. For your 51, okay, the 10-pound block, okay,